US dollar index is a measure of the value of the US dollar relative to a basket of foreign currencies. The dollar index is used to measure the value of the dollar against a basket of 6 foreign currencies. The basket of currencies are Euro, Swiss franc, Japanese yen, Canadian dollar, British pound and Swedish krona. The euro is, by far, the largest component of the index, making up 57.6% of the basket. The weightage of the rest of the currencies in the index are Japanese yen 13.6%, British pound 11.9%, Canadian dollar 9.1%, Swedish krona 4.2%, Swiss franc 3.6%. The index was established by the US Federal Reserve in 1973 after the dissolution of the Bretton Woods Agreement. It is now maintained by ICA Data Indices, a subsidiary of the Intercontinental Exchange. The 6 currencies included in the US dollar index are often referred to as America's most significant trading partners. The index has only been updated once in 1999 when the euro replaced the German mark, French franc, Italian lira, Dutch guilder, and Belgian franc. The value of the index is a fair indication of the dollar's value in global markets. The US dollar index has risen and fallen sharply throughout its history. It reached an all-time high in 1984 at nearly 165. Its all-time low was nearly 70 in 2007. Over the last several years, the US dollar index has been relatively range-bound between 90 and 115. It is likely in the future that currencies such as the Chinese yuan and Mexican peso will replace other currencies in the index due to China and Mexico being major trading partners with the US. An index value of 120 suggests that the US dollar has appreciated 20% versus the basket of currencies over the time period in question. Similarly, if the index is currently 80, falling 20 from its initial value, that implies that it has depreciated 20%.